Good morning, this is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up here in less than a minute, so let's see what happens. We're going to pick up some shares here at 18.15 on what looks to be a journey up to retest these highs and potentially break through them. So we'll see if I can get filled or not. All right, sitting at 17.55 now. Noticed a few things on some stuff that you can't see on the screen, so I wanted to lower that order down. And so far it looks like the proper choice, although not quite, because obviously I haven't been filled yet, but you know, better than getting filled up where I was originally thinking. So we'll see if I can get some shares here at 17.55. I will keep you updated. All right, order at 17.01. Again, saw some things that had me a little uneasy, so I wanted to move that down there. So we'll see if I can get filled at 17.01 or not. And there I am. So I'll look to build a bigger position in this, or if I can get a quick score out of it, I'll take that too. But initial entry in, only 500 shares, so on a $17 stock, by no means is this some sort of gigantic entry or anything like that. So we'll see how this unfolds. If it looks like I'm going to get filled more on, if it pulls back some more, if it looks like I'm going to get filled in the sense of pulling out some profits, I'll get the video rolling again. Okay, I have more orders down at 16.01 and 15.75 if it wants to pull back some more. We'll see what happens with it. I will keep you updated. And I apologize, but in literally the blink of an eye, the price broke through 17 and I was filled. So and the thing is, I was focused, I was getting ready, I thinking, all right, well, if it breaks 17, I'll get the video rolling again. And it literally broke 17 and I was out. So apologize for missing the exit point there. But I am going to leave these orders down here where I had them at 16.01 and 15.75 as it stands right now. I still do like those as potential entry points. So I'm going to leave those down there, and now you can see the price is trying to pull back here a little bit. So no promises, but I'll do my best if it looks like I'm going to get filled on the continued pullback here to try to capture that on video. All right, I canceled the one order at, I don't know if you can hear the toys in the background or not, but hopefully it's not distracting. Anyways, I canceled that one. And I have an order at 15.75 right now, so I realize it seems kind of far away, but like I said, it moves fast, and I would like to capture the entry on video. So we'll have, all right, if it gets down to 16, I'll get the video rolling, but I'm keeping my eye on a few other things too, so we'll see what happens. All right, I'll explain in just a second. Let me get my stuff in order. There we go. Looking to short at 47.20, risking about $60-ish on it. So I have my stop loss at 47.32. First step, of course, is needs to get filled. My premise is that this continues to just bleed downwards, but if it doesn't, and this is some sort of bottom, then I just want out. But I'm risking about $60 to see if I'm right or wrong. I could very well be wrong, but if I am wrong, I'm just going to make it a $60 mistake and not something much bigger. But again, first step in that whole process is I need the price to get up to 47.20 to fill me. So we'll see if that happens or not. All right, real quick while there's a few minutes of downtime here. Big question I always get from these videos is, hey Clay, how are you actually finding these setups? So, how did you find DRYS? What are you using? What are these tools? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I'm using to find setups that I find interesting and think may have some potential. So if that sounds like something that could add some value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. Like I say here, it is free. It's like short, one page, so by no means you're gonna have to spend like the next 3 weeks reading through it. You can get through it very quickly, but just because you can get through it very quickly doesn't mean that it couldn't really help you out. Like I said, it's a good risk versus reward at the end of the day. Worst case scenario, you waste 5-10 minutes of your time. Best case, it really helps you out. So I think the risk versus reward in your favor. So check it out. Like I said, click there and I'll email it to you. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Couple reasons. First, I know the past couple videos have been pretty long, so we'll keep this one right around the 5-minute mark. And second, I'm getting a little frustrated, and I don't want to come across like I'm greedy or ungrateful. I mean, it's not even 11 o'clock yet. So, I mean, the market hasn't even been open 90 minutes, and I am up, just shy of $100. So, again, I mean, I don't want to come across like, oh, $100 in 90 minutes is not a good, nothing like that. But just, frustrating. Didn't quite get some of the fills that I wanted, but it is what it is. That's just the way, the cookie crumbles. But I definitely don't want to come across like somebody that's just greedy or not grateful I mean, I can't quite say I'm sitting here in my underwear, but I'm working from home right now. So a lot of things to be grateful for. And given it's November, I mean, that's the month to be thankful, right? So with that being said, if you enjoyed this video and want to see me make more, and the other thing is, I also kind of like it just from an educational standpoint. The previous 2 videos I've released have been very big numbers. I think like $300 and then $459 in very short amounts of time. Whereas here, going on 90 minutes and again, not only in a greedy sense, but just $100. So this goes to show that not every single day is going to be, $300 in 10 minutes here. $459 in, 10 minutes here. Yes, those mornings like that happen, days like that certainly happen, but not every single day. And that's why I don't want to try to portray that either. So as quote unquote not exciting as this video may have been compared to some of the other ones I've released, it is what it is. That's just how trading is. Not every single day can be, and not every single morning. I should note that, I mean, the market still got plenty of time open, so something else may pop up. But as it stands right now, just a meh kind of morning, but it is what it is. So if you enjoy these videos and want me to keep making them, click that like button. That's the easiest way to let me know that you're enjoying. Subscribe to the channel. That's another way, to just very simple ways. Clicks of the mouse to let me know that you're enjoying. If you're interested in trading alongside me and the community we have, you can go to claytrader.com and check out that chat room, newsletter, all that stuff. And then also if you're interested in learning how to trade with charts, I offer video training courses on all that. Again, just go to claytrader.com. So thank you again to all you loyal subscribers, and I will see you back for the next video.